In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make my friends list private on Facebook. So I've got facebook.com open right here in my browser and I'm already logged in. From the homepage, I'm heading straight to my profile by clicking on my profile icon, and that takes me into my personal page where all my information is. Once I'm on my profile, I look just under my name where all the tabs are lined up, and I go ahead and click on Friends. This opens up my full friends list, and this is exactly what we want to control the privacy for. Now that the page has loaded, I'm moving my cursor over to the right side, and I find the three-dot icon. I click on that to open up a small menu with more options. From that menu, I see the option that says Edit Privacy, so I go ahead and click on that. Once I click it, a small settings panel pops up, and this is where I can choose who gets to see my friends list. It's usually set to something like public or friends by default, so at this point I'm going to change that. I click on the current privacy setting, and a drop down appears with different options. I scroll through and select only me. This is the setting that makes the friends list completely private, so only I can see it when I'm logged into my account. Once that's selected, I just pause for a second to make sure it's showing correctly. After that, I move down and click on Save to apply the changes. As soon as I hit save, the new privacy setting takes effect right away. There's no need to reload anything here, it updates instantly. Now that everything is saved, I can close that little panel and stay on my friends page. At this point, my friends list is no longer visible to anyone else. If someone visits my profile, they won't be able to see who I'm connected with, but I can still see my full list like normal. And that's pretty much it. It's a quick adjustment, but it makes a big difference if you want to keep your connections private. Once it's set to only me, it stays that way until you decide to change it again later.